Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Studio. It's really nice to be here with you today. I'm Lucy.
Yeah, it's good to be back.
I'm feeling calm today and happy to spend this time together. Tom, how are you feeling?
Oh, yeah, I'm feeling good too. It's nice to be here.
It feels nice to slow down like this. Sometimes we don't do that enough. Just sit and listen for a moment.
Yeah, that's true. Life moves fast. Our minds move fast too. So taking this time kind of helps.
And when we slow down, we notice small things. The way we think, the way we react.
Hmm. Sometimes before we speak, there's that tiny pause. Not long, just a second.
Yes, that little moment where your mind is quiet, but also busy.
I think a lot of people know that feeling. You're about to say something, and your thoughts stop.
That pause is interesting. Not scary, just there. And today, we're going to stay with that feeling for a bit.
Yeah, no rush, no pressure. Just noticing what happens inside.
Okay, let's gently move forward.
We'll take it one small step at a time.
Before we speak English, something small happens inside us. It's very quiet, but very real.
Yeah, it's like your mouth is ready, but your mind stops for a second.
That tiny pause. Not long, just a moment. But in that moment, a lot is going on.
I think many learners feel this. You know the words, you understand English, but something inside hesitates.
Hmm, that's your inner voice. Not bad, not wrong, just careful.
Yeah, it's trying to protect you. It asks questions like, is this okay? What if I make a mistake?
And that's normal. Really normal. Everyone has that moment.
So today, we're not rushing past it. We're not fighting it.
We're going to slow down and notice what your mind does right before you speak.
Yeah, just listening, just observing. No pressure, no fixing.
Okay, let's gently move into practice.
Before you speak English, your mind does something small. Not big, not loud, just a pause. Yeah, a very short pause.
It's like your words are ready, but your voice waits. Just for a second.
I think in that second, your mind asks questions. Quiet questions, like, is this right? Should I say this? Not in English, just feeling.
Oh, and sometimes your body feels it. Your chest, your breath. A little tight, a little fast.
This happens to many learners, even when they know the words, even when they understand English.
We're not changing anything yet. Just noticing. That small pause. That inner moment.
And that's enough for now. Just awareness, nothing more.
That pause you feel, it doesn't mean you are bad at English.
Yeah, it just means your mind is careful. It wants to help you, not stop you.
Oh. Many people think something is wrong with me. But Nothing is wrong.
I think this pause happens to almost everyone when they speak a new language.
You don't need to push yourself. You don't need to be fast.
Slow is okay. Quiet is okay. Taking a second is okay.
Yeah. That small pause is not your enemy. It's just a moment before your voice comes out.
And now, with that feeling, we can gently move forward. Okay, now let's look at that pause a little closer. Not to fix it, just to notice it.
It's like a small space. Not loud, not scary, just there.
In that second, your mind is doing something. It's checking words. It's choosing sounds.
Oh, maybe you feel your English inside, but your mouth is still quiet.
That's not failure. That's preparation.
Yeah. Instead of saying, "Why am I slow?" you can think, my mind is getting ready.
This small change is powerful. You stop fighting the pause.
And when you stop fighting, something else becomes possible.
So, that pause is there. Now we don't rush it. We stay with it.
Notice your body in that moment. Your shoulders, your jaw, your breath.
You don't need a big breath. Just one slow breath in and out.
Ooh, it's quiet there. Not empty, just calm.
You're not late. Nothing is wrong. English is not running away.
Yeah. Even native speakers pause like this. They breathe too.
So this pause is not a problem. It's a bridge.
And from this calm place, words come more easily.
Okay, now something changes. We don't rush. We don't plan. We just let one small word come.
It doesn't need to be a full sentence. Not yet.
It can be just, or, well, or, excuse me. That's already speaking.
Ooh, those sounds are not mistakes. They are doors.
Your first word doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to exist.
Yeah, that tiny word is a brave step, even if it feels small.
After that word, your body relaxes. Your mouth opens more.
And once the door opens, the next word feels closer.
So, that first word is out. Now we add just one more.
Slow is good here. Very good.
You said, excuse me. Now you can say, excuse me, please. That's already a phrase.
Feel that change? Your voice is a little steadier.
Other easy phrases. Hi, there. Just a moment. 1 second, please. Short, kind.
Yeah. You're not choosing grammar. You're choosing comfort.
When the phrase comes, the pause feels smaller. Your mind is already moving forward.
And from a short phrase, a full sentence feels possible.
Okay. Now listen closely. This is a very small moment, but inside your mind, it's important.
This is usually the moment your mind pauses. You know the words, but something holds you back. Today, we don't stop.
You already started. You said, excuse me. Your mouth opened. Your voice came out. Your mind noticed that.
Oh, and then a simple sentence appears. Not perfect, just real. Something like, "Excuse me, where is this?"
Notice this part. Nothing bad happened. No alarm. No problem.
Yeah. The world stayed normal. People stayed calm. You stayed safe. Your mind learns that.
Inside you, something shifted. You spoke. You were heard. And you're still here.
That sentence was small. But for your mind, it was a big step. And your mind remembers that.
Okay, now notice what happens next. Not outside, inside you.
Oh, right after you speak, your mind reacts. Not loudly, very quietly.
That tight feeling. It loosens a little. Your shoulders drop. Your breath changes.
And you think, oh, I did it. Even if the sentence was small.
Your mind is surprised. It expected something bad, but nothing bad came.
Yeah, so your mind learns one thing. Speaking English did not hurt you.
This is not big confidence. It's small, quiet, but real.
And if you stay with this feeling for just a second, your mind remembers it.
Okay. Let's stay here a little longer. This part matters.
Your mind likes patterns. When something happens once, it remembers.
You spoke. Nothing bad happened. Your mind stores that.
Oh, and later, maybe the same day, maybe another day, your mind says, "Oh, I know this."
The fear doesn't disappear, but it becomes smaller, quieter.
Yeah. The words feel less heavy. Your mouth remembers the movement.
This is confidence. Not loud, not fast, just familiar.
And every time you speak again, your mind says, "We've been here before."
Okay, now something changes. It's very quiet, but very important.
Your mind starts listening instead of stopping you. It doesn't shout anymore.
You feel a small permission. Not confidence, not courage, just it's okay to try.
The voice inside says, "Maybe I can say one word. Not everything. Just one."
Your mind helps your mouth. It remembers the sound, the rhythm.
Yeah. Your breath stays calm. Your body stays soft. Nothing is forcing you.
Before, your mind protected you by stopping you. Now, it protects you by guiding you.
And that's the moment English stops feeling dangerous and starts feeling possible.
Okay, this is the last shift. Very quiet, but very powerful.
One day, you don't plan the sentence. It just comes.
There is no long thinking, no stopping, no fear check.
Oh, and after you speak, you think, oh, that was easy.
Your mind learned the path. Like walking, like breathing. It knows where to go.
Yeah, you don't push yourself anymore. English doesn't feel heavy.
Speaking English becomes normal. Not special, not scary, just part of you.
And that's when you realize your mind is not stopping you now. It's walking with you. Okay, let's pause for a moment. You've been listening carefully. Real English. Simple English. We practiced small things, short questions, calm words. Nothing fast, nothing heavy.
Yeah, and that matters. You don't need perfect English. People understand you. Each small try helps. Each moment counts. So if you're still here, listening, you're doing well. Let's keep going. Okay, now let's pause for a moment. Before you speak English, what happens inside your mind? Does it stop? Does it feel quiet? Or a little fast? Just think about.
Yeah. Oh, and you can write something very simple, like, my mind stops, or I feel nervous, or I think too much. That's enough. That's real. No right answer. No wrong answer. Write one short line below. We're here with you. Okay. We're coming to the end now. And if you're still here, that means something. You listened. You noticed your mind. You stayed with the feeling. That's not small.
Yeah. Oh, before you speak English, your mind pauses. But now, maybe that pause feels a little softer, a little calmer. That's already progress.
You don't need to change everything today. Just notice. Just breathe. Just stay aware. And next time you speak English, you'll understand yourself a bit more.
In the next episode, we'll go one step deeper. Not faster, not harder, just clearer. Same calm pace, more real English.
Thanks for being here. Take this calm with you. We'll meet again soon.